Trade crypto, we just made 490% profit. First of all, today let's talk about Dogecoin. Dogecoin right now has the volume of $234 million. I just sent this picture to the trade group, the private list. I put this line right here. You see this origin line right here? This is called resistance. Once Dogecoin breaks this resistance, the price go up to 50 cents. Right now the price is 60 cents. Okay. Now let's talk about the coins I share in the private list. On the last 4 days, we trade Popsicle Finance, Pine, Stat, NYZO, and Gifto. The whole idea is to buy low before the pump and sell up high. That is the reason I share my trades in the private list, because people buy the same coin I do. Okay, stats. I shared this trade in the private list on September 20. We bought this coin for 0.06 and put a sell order up here, daily resistance at 0.12. Guys, the strategy is pretty simple. Let's go to the charts on 7 days stats. Right here on September 18, the volume of this coin was $139,000. 6 hours later, the volume pumped to almost $500,000. Before the pump, there's a pre-pump volume. That means buyers are control the market. The secret sauce is to calculate volume spike plus buyer power. So I shared this trade in the private list and we made 100% profit. Okay? NYZO, exactly the same thing, guys. I shared this trade in the private list on 21/20. Wednesday, yesterday, we bought this coin for 0.0076 and put a seller up here 0.016. We made 112% profit. I made $12,000. Guys, it's all about the volume. Let me give another example here. Gifto, pay attention to the charts right here. Before the pump, what I just said, there's a pre-pump volume. And right here on September 19, the volume of this coin was $1 million. 6 hours later, September 19, volume was 1.5. Before the pump, there is a pre-pump. I share all my trades at the private list. Feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Also, we can trade for you and provide you 25% return of investment per week, guys. Feel free to reach me out. If you don't like to trade crypto, we will trade for you. 25% return of investment per week. It's insane return for somebody who doesn't want to trade. Overall, thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. And remember, this is a time to make money, guys. Dogecoin is a possibility, but Dogecoin is a swing trade, okay? In this channel, we focus on day trade. That's where the money are. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. TradeCryptoTime@gmail.com.